going to address some cooler flow concerns. Cooler flow in the past has often been ignored by many a good technician. As long as we had 1 quart of cooler flow return in 30 seconds, we assumed the vehicle was okay. In today's more complex transmissions, we need to know we have proper cooler flow through the entire heat range of the warm-up cycle of the vehicle. With pulse width modulation now, applying the torque converter clutch, we need to make sure the vehicle is operating at the right temperature and having the right gallons per minute coming back from the radiator through the entire drive cycle. I'm going to address some of those issues right now. In the past, mechanics often checked cooler flow on the simplest of terms. We removed the return line from the radiator and made sure we got 1 quart of ATF in 30 seconds. This test was done hot, this test was done cold, this test was done however, and very uncalculated. On the 5R110 series of Ford transmissions at 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 8 ounces of oil flow is normal in 30 seconds. However, at 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 64 ounces is the minimum. Achieving this is difficult as the vehicle is now at 180 degrees Fahrenheit. The Sonex Corporation has developed a tool called the SonoFlow, which is able to be spliced into the cooler line and measure the gallons per minute of flow coming back from the radiator. This can be left in the vehicle and driven on a road test and make sure that the vehicle operates properly through the entire drive cycle. It will give you a flow test of readings, tells you in gallons per minute, and it's very useful in detecting lockup and control issues. When we are doing heavy duty work, we install the SonoFlow on the final road test, always examining all coolers as part of your checkouts, as customers have been known to modify their vehicles to our detriment. In the past, the cooler flow was often overlooked as a sideline and not a very important concern. So please give the cooler flow the attention it deserves, and the longevity of your job will reflect accordingly. On Ford service vehicles, the manufacturer recommends on any heavy service work to replace the oil-to-air coolers, such as we see here. Notice the size of the cooler fittings now. They're no longer thread type, where we can easily unscrew them. We need to have a special tool to remove them. OTC Products Corporation manufactures these Chinese fingers, which are very easy to remove these cooler lines on and off. If you don't know about this, you'll never be able to get these lines off and changed. The OTC part number is 6593. This will work on all the 5R110 series transmissions of the Ford products. AST Corp also manufactures a quick disconnect line fitting for the General Motors and Ford line of vehicles, and that tool number is 8021. This will work on the 5R55 and 5L40E transmission cooler lines. So trying to remove the transmission from the vehicle without being able to get the cooler lines off will prove very difficult. We hope you can add these tools to your arsenal and make your job a little bit easier. We hope the preceding video you found useful and helpful. Thank you very much for watching this video. Any comments or questions, please direct them to our website or our phone number, and have a great day.